Hello everyone, Alex here, and welcome to one new category of our videos that we're going to be explaining what's happening behind the scene with your product and project, of course. Most of our projects are done in the SolidWorks, which are your licensed holder, and you'll hopefully better understand what is going on after you assign us a project. So let's jump into the new video and hopefully you learn something about it. Here on the screen we have a relatively simple project. It's a truck divider that contains a couple of off-the-shelf parts and a couple of custom parts. Everything is done in the SolidWorks, as you can see here. These clamps on top are off the shelf, meaning you can buy them in the store. And here we have a custom part that is everything is made out of aluminum. This small clamp on the bottom is also off the shelf. Every project that we do, we deliver a complete list of all the components. So in the case that we are not making the prototype for the client can understand what needs to be done, how and which process. As well, you will be receiving 2D documents like this, where you will see technically assembly list. Once when you get the part, how can you assemble everything. If you're willing to learn more and see more of our projects, please visit our YouTube channel again in a couple of days. Thank you.